Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DeanOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Profit Abundance. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Profit Abundance works, and I will be showing you inside of the members area so you'll get to see a sneak peek of what's inside the content so you will know what to expect when you decide to purchase this product. And then I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses to those of you who are sticking around to watch my review video of this new product launch. Now, these bonuses, by the way, are super valuable, that it will benefit you in the long run because it has wealth of information that are very helpful for you to learn some of the techniques on how to scale up your online business without wasting any more time. So let's cut to the chase, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the Profit Abundance are. So basically, to put it briefly, Profit Abundance, inside the members area, you can get access to about well over 40 profitable marketing secrets that we're gonna be love and thankful for. And basically, inside on the members area, you'll get to see 10 list building hacks, 10 traffic hacks, 10 social media marketing hacks, and then finally you're gonna be learning 10 of the previous products of the creators of this program that you can take advantage of. Now, all this stuff that you're about to see inside of the members area are honestly gold information for online marketing secrets that you will know, because one of the reasons why I said gold is because these information is actually they're not obsolete, so they're up to date full information where you can apply what you learned from this program, and you can pretty much earn profit from this method. And so these information has all the sources that you need to know about online marketing so you can finally make profit from this method, guarantee, because like I said, these techniques, these hacks are actually proven to work in today's world, or I forgot that term, but it's, you can basically use this like right now. And so Profit Abundance has all the secrets that will finally solve your problems if you haven't earned money from sending offers to your list. It's got a lot of video training secrets about building a list. You will get to learn more about traffic hacks that will help you get profits from your offers. And finally, you will learn more about the secrets of marketing the right way. Now, Profit Abundance also comes with 5 done-for-you monetization offers that are proven to convert time and time again. And additional to that, you get the one high-ticket offer for you to bank big commissions. Now, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of this product. Now, Profit Abundance, the information that you're about to see inside the members area are all up to date, like I said, and this is one of my top 10 benefit for this product, is because you're gonna see there's a lot of information that's gonna help you learn about this online marketing secrets, and you know, they're not obsolete information. You can pretty much apply what you learn, and it's gonna work in today's world, because some of the programs out there are pretty much outdated. Not saying all products, but this one is like newer, but then it's gonna work 100%. So this is one of the things that I like about this program pretty much, and all the secrets are here for you to learn so you can start earning money from your offers. And now that I've watched the video training inside of the members area, and it's pretty awesome. I love it. I enjoy watching it every night, and so I haven't finished the entire program, because honestly it does takes a while. I'm gonna be showing it to you later what I mean by that, but it does take some time for you to finish the video because it's got a lot of information, which is pretty cool. And I enjoy learning the secrets that they share here. And I realized that the stuff that I've been doing now are pretty outdated. And so what I'm trying to do is when I watch the videos, I take notes to the important steps that I need to change and pretty much pay attention to the videos. And all I can say about good things here are on point. It's very educational, and it's going to benefit you whether you're an experienced marketer or a newbie. Okay, now onto the members area so that I can show you what I mean by the gold information. And so let's go to the members area. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Profit Abundance. So over here is all the information and the platform of this video here. It's got everything you need to learn. So always make sure that you're scrolling down so you won't miss the extra videos that's provided on the welcome video here. And over here is the Access Profit Abundance here. You click on that and the drop down list is gonna show up, and let's go and check to get access to your profit generator. So as you can see here, it's a video that you need to watch. Over here is where you can get access to the profit generator. So you can name excuse me, put the name of the page, enter your affiliate link over here, and over here is where you can select the template of your choice for this bonus page generator, and you just hit submit. Then next would be this is the training that I was talking about. So this is the 10 times with profit abundance. This is the overview, and they're going to explain to you why the list building is important. Very important to have a list building so that you can collect email leads to your list, and why conquering traffic is important, why social media marketing is important. So these are all video based trainings, as you can see here. Pretty much going to explain to you further about the importance of having a list building and social media. Next would be the list building abundant hacks, hack 1, and all the way down to hack 10. So as you can see here, this is why I was talking about how I couldn't finish majority of the videos, because it's got all the information here. It's pretty awesome. I like all the secrets that I learned from the list building. And over here is the traffic abundance 1 up to 10 here. Very important. This is pretty cool, and I enjoy watching the training of this that comes with it. Then next would be the general marketing hacks. Now again, it's 1 up to 10. A lot of content in this platform. This is one of the reasons why I love this program. It's gonna give you some time. I mean, this is just only the front end, as you can see here. This is just the front end of this program, and it's got a lot of information that it's gonna help you learn, especially if you're a newbie or a beginner, and you know you're gonna get take advantage, or you're gonna get lucky with learning from this secret hacks of the online marketing. And then over here is the treasure trove. Not really sure what this is, but let's go ahead and click this so you can get to see what this is all about. Okay, so pretty much you can get access to the previous products that they have promoted before. As you can see here, these are all the stuff that they used to promote, and they're pretty awesome as well, so you can actually get access to it. And I think you can also promote these products as well. Over here are the available upgrades. I will be explaining more to that later. So these are the upgrades of the profit abundance. Here are the vendor bonuses, and don't forget, I also give you my free bonuses as my way of saying thank you for taking the time to watch my review videos. So I'm gonna be giving you my free bonuses as well, and that's pretty much it. So a lot of stuff that's provided in this members area, and so this is all it is in the profit abundance program, and I highly recommend that you purchase this product because, as you can see here, these are a lot of content. You know, it's not just 5 items in here. Normally there's like 5 or 10, but then it's got, you know, each lessons, it's got like 30 videos that you can go through and, you know, pretty much watch and learn from the gurus of this online marketing. And so well, anyway, this is pretty much it. This is what the profit abundance look like inside of the members area. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Profit Abundance, this is going to go live on August 15th. And that's when you'll be able to click on any of these orange buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And this pop-up message is gonna pop up, and so don't forget when you click over here, and if you wait for a good 10 seconds or so, this pop-up message is gonna come up, and you're gonna get a $3 discount using my link to purchase this program. And then that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. All you need to do, first of all, is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these orange buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page here. And then you can go ahead and follow me on my Facebook, and then press the send message and just go ahead and ask a question, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be one-time price of $17. Now, also, you can upgrade your purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. So, in order for you to check out the available bonuses or the upgrades rather, click on the link down below in the description of my video. And as soon as you get into this part here, this is where you can go ahead and check out the available upgrades of this product here. Check it out. It's got all the stuff that you might be interested in with the upgrades of Profit Abundance. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Profit Abundance, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of my video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. And remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Profit Abundance. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 18th. So make sure you look out for that when you pick this up. And all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my profit abundance review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase the profit abundance at a discounted price. Also, don't forget to pick my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.